So bloody fast. Oh my lord. Look at the wind speed right now. There's pieces of branches flying around here. Power flash right there. Piece of branches on the floor right now. This is massive. I'm shaking my ground. I can see the wind, and I was like, it's not that bad, is it? It's really intense. This is really intense wind. Really intense wind and lightning. Whoa, CG right there. I think I might have got that. It's loads. Look at the wind. I mean, the wind was incredible there. See the whale's mouth up there. That was a big one. Look at the whale's mouth. Power flash again. I'm not sure what's going on down there. Right now. And look at that, it's got a whale's mouth down there. It's just a giant thunderstorm heading right through our area. Here we go again. It's giant. I'm shaking with adrenaline right now. Oh my Jesus! There was a big bolt that just came down from there. Can you help me set up a tripod? Thank you. I think it's going to start raining soon. I think I'm not going to be able to maintain a position for much longer. There's so much lightning going on. That is all a mean thunderstorm right over it. And do you see the whale's mouth down there? There's a shell cloud. This is a squall line. There was a massive system heading towards us. And it was like, what time is it in the morning? It's early morning, isn't it? Somehow one of the kind of systems, at least definitely moved towards us. I mean, look at all the lightning going on. It's constant. It's literally constant. I mean, oh, look at that one. The wind right now is just ridiculous. Oh my god! Look at the wind. This is ridiculous. Yeah. Whoa, that was a big flag. Yeah. Right, here we go. We just filmed for 4 minutes and it's still. Oh god, here comes the rain. Try and make it slightly darker. Oh my goodness, that was big. I think the power's out as well. Yeah, there we go again. Shaking. I'm fine yet. Just fine. Oh my god. Giant flashes of lightning going on. Huge flashes of lightning. I actually am going crazy. There we go, a big flash of lightning. Jesus. Huge. Okay, sure. Shaking so much right now. I'm gonna have to move, I think. Oh god, the rain's really starting to come in. Whoa! Big. Oh no! Oh my god. Big flashes of light. The wind has definitely calmed down, but it's definitely still going for a lot. There's still a lot of rain going on, still a lot of lightning. No, power's out now, power's out, so constantly flashing of lightning. I mean, look at that. I may try and get out, it's really intense. We are really close to some of this lightning. What to do right now? Oh my god. The lights will turn on. Now the wind's completely calmed, but the rain is just not stopping. It's relentless. I'm not getting any bolts on this. I think I'm going to try and go out. Just keeps going. Look at that. It's just ridiculous. It's constantly flickering with lightning. Oh my god. Jesus, it just keeps flashing. Oh yes, CG! Cloud to ground right there. So there we go, that was definitely on camera. It's still blowing, but this is a massive thunderstorm right over us right now. I will get. Yes, I think I've got down the big camera as well. Oh. Yep. Yes. Yes. It's right above us. Oh my god. Yes. It's dark, it's got light, but it's definitely lightning. I would have got down the big camera as well. Stuff's still going on. The monster thunderstorm. Yes, anvil crawler in slow-mo. Yes. Yes. I was right above. It was crazy. Yes. Yes, anvil crawler. Oh man, how good! I did not put the camera on the covers. Oh, is that it? Whoa, no, it was not. Still, flashes going on. There's too much rain going on now. Rain on it. That's it. I think it's gone now. not get that in slow-mo, I was actually not looking, but massive. I would have got that as well. Yeah. But it looks like it's shifted now.
This storm was absolutely incredible, but as this storm was dying, a new storm was developing and rapidly intensifying, and would bring some of the largest anvil crawler lightning strikes I have ever seen. Consider liking and subscribing to this channel, and also please consider commenting because I really enjoy reading them. And with that said, I'll see you on the next one.